Hey everyone here, and welcome back to CodeMechanic. If you've ever had that dreaded check engine light pop up and wondered, what now? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Bluetooth OBD2 adapters. These little gadgets plug right into your car port and turn your smartphone into a powerful diagnostic tool. But with so many options out there, which one is actually worth your money? I've spent weeks testing some of the most popular models on the market, and I'm here to give you the ultimate hands-on comprehensive. We're going to be looking at 5 top contenders, including the budget-friendly ELM 3-7 clones, the professional-grade Blue Driver, and the enthusiast's favorite OBD-Link MX+. My main focus is on 3 key things: how fast they connect and read data, their compatibility with different car makes and models, and of course, the accuracy of the codes and live data they provide. A cheap scanner that gives you the wrong information is worse than no scanner at all. Let's start with the classic, the ELM 3-7. You've probably seen these super cheap blue or black dongles all over the internet. The big question is, do they work? The short answer is, sometimes. The quality is a lottery. Some work fine for basic code reading with apps like Torque Pro on Android, but others are dead on arrival or drop connection constantly. Next up, we're stepping up the game with the Blue Driver. This one is a bit different because it comes with its own dedicated, polished app for both iOS and Android. The big selling point here is the detailed repair reports. It doesn't just give you a code like P0420. It explains what it means and suggests verified fixes from a database of millions of repairs. Let's plug it in to this Honda Civic. Look how quickly it connects on my iPhone. The app interface is clean, and pulling a full vehicle health scan is super intuitive. For the average car owner who wants a simple, all-in-one solution, this is a fantastic choice. The speed is decent, and the accuracy is Now, for the speed demons and data nerds, let's talk about the OBD-Link MX+. This is widely considered one of the fastest and most reliable adapters you can buy. It uses a proprietary connection algorithm that makes it incredibly quick and stable. It's compatible with a huge range of third-party apps, which is a massive plus for advanced users. Here it is, paired with the OBD-Link app on an Android tablet. Watch this. The live data refresh rate is insane. You can see things like RPM and throttle position change in real time with virtually no lag. It also supports advanced OEM-specific networks for Ford and GM, letting you access modules that cheaper scanners can't even see. It's pricier, but if you're serious about DIY car repair or performance tuning, the MX Plus is an absolute beast. We also tested 2 other popular mid-range options, which we'll call Adapter X and Adapter Y for this comparison. Adapter X had great app support, but was noticeably slower than the OBD. Adapter Y, on the other hand, was quick, but its app was a bit clunky and less user-friendly, especially on iOS. They both got the job done for basic code reading, but lacked the standout features of the Blue Driver or the raw performance of the MX Plus. So, what's the verdict? If you're on a shoestring budget and feeling lucky, an ELM 3-7 clone might get you by. For the everyday driver who wants a simple, reliable tool with excellent repair guidance, the Blue Driver is my top recommendation. And for the enthusiasts and pro-level DIers who demand speed, stability, and maximum data access, the OBD-Link MX Plus is the undisputed king. Ultimately, the best adapter for you depends on your needs and your budget. I hope this hands-on review helped clear things up and makes your choice a little easier. Which OBD2 adapter are you using? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one.